In order to effectively show you how to sort a pivot table, I just want to make some changes to this pivot table. Now to do so, I need to bring my field list back up. So I have to go to Pivot Tools, Analyze, and to the far right, I click the Field List button. And in here, I'm just going to make a modification. I'm going to drag out all the fields from all the sections and start fresh. I want the year as my column. I want the region and the department as my rows. And where everything intersects, I want the sum of the target. So this is a better example to show you sorting. First of all, the years. The years appear as column headings. If I want to sort the years so that 2012 is first and 2010 is last, then I'll sort them in descending order. In order to sort, I really need to go to my Data tab in the ribbon. And if I go Z to A, I'll find that 2012 is now first and 2010 is last, or I can go A to Z. So that just proves you can sort by your column headings. You can also sort by your row headings. If I click on Auckland and then click Z to A, I'll end up with Whakatane at the top. And if I go A to Z, I'll end up with Auckland at the top. If within a region I want to sort by department, I'll simply click on a department and go Z to A. Now I find that within each region, the departments are now sorted in descending order. And if I go A to Z, then now within each region sorted in ascending order. Likewise with the values. If, for example, I wanted to sit on a grand total and go A to Z, I can now see that Hamilton is at the top of my list because it has the smallest value for sum of target. If I go Z to A, I now see Tauranga is on the top because it had the largest sum of target values. So you can easily sort by whichever column. You'll also notice there's little arrows appearing on these little field headers. If I click on last name and I go A to Z, I've now got Auckland at the front, and if I click on this and go smallest to largest, as it already was, I've got the years organised in ascending order. So you can easily sort a pivot table by any number of fields.